Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Hello. With the right acquisitionist, the business is done for you so that you have passive cash flow and massive peace of mind. Now, if you haven't done your first deal yet, we have all the training to be your own acquisitionist in the beginning, and that should be your focus and your plan. Ron LeGrand has a whole section of his business management bootcamp devoted just to getting help. In fact, Ron's new book is actually about delegation, and in real estate investing, the person you delegate to is your acquisitionist. One of our well-deserved nicknames is the king and queen of automation and delegation. So we know that if you want to make more money and have more time, the only answer is delegating to an acquisitionist. So do you need some help to get rich in real estate? Do you want help getting the right help? Well, the right help you need is the right acquisitionist. Ron, what is an acquisitionist?
In my world, an acquisitionist is someone that does the legwork required to acquire properties from FSBOs for sale by owners. In fact, we could even throw bank-owned properties in there if we wanted to. And then my acquisitionist also is responsible for making the sale, at which time they get paid. So it's the person that does most of the work.
Figuring out who you want and casting the role of your acquisitionist properly is vital for your success. Just a quick personality guide here for quality prospects. Their attitude should be positive, of course. They shouldn't talk too slow or too fast. Now, they represent you, so their grammar and vocabulary should be adequate. You don't want them to come off less than intelligent. Now, they may or may not have much real estate knowledge. Either way can work, so long as they're coachable. Lastly, brain type. You've got your choice between a thinker brain, a mammal follower brain, or a reptile action brain. For the best results, go with what Lynette is, a real action brain. So the two keys to success in this business are the exact two main job duties of your acquisitionist. Keep leads coming in and stay on top of the closing calls. Closing calls are truly the linchpin of the pretty house business. What do I mean by that? I've never seen a business where one small part of it is so crucial to all the rest of it. Everything that happens before the closing call is solely designed to get you to that point, and everything that proceeds afterwards with the deal is because of what is decided in those few moments. That's why closing calls are so crucial in this business. Guys, over time, your acquisitionist will make you a lot of money, about 10 times what you're paying them. You may also very well be spending a lot of your precious time in the beginning being your own acquisitionist. Make sure you know what you're doing, that you hire the best possible candidate, you train and manage them effectively, and you handle the whole process as professionally as possible.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of great new videos.